Hello, let's take a look at our new sound. Here we have the sound. Excellent. Now look, there are two letters that when they are separate, they make one sound. But when they come together and they hug, they make the sound. Excellent. Can you repeat? Well done. And look, here we have a man. He is lifting a weight. He is very strong. Listen, listen. Repeat. Strong. Excellent. Good. Just like me. Very good. Okay, so remember we said when we have this letter and this letter, they come together and they make the sound. Do you want to try some words? Excellent. Okay, let's take a look at this girl. What does she like to do? Excellent. She likes to sing. Very good. Can you hear the sound? Is it at the beginning? No. Is it in the middle? No. It's at the end. Excellent. All right, so let's spell this word. The first sound, S. Second sound, Good job. And finally, our special sound, Very good. Look, 1 and 2. Good job. I'm going to put that right here. Repeat with me, please. Well done. Good job. Let's take a look at the next word. Here we have a ring. Excellent, a ring that we wear on our finger. Very good. So, what's the first sound in ring? R. Well done. Well done. What's the second sound in R? Excellent. Here it is. Good. And what's the last sound in R? Ring. Very good, the new sound. Well done. 1 and 2. Good job. Repeat, please. R. Good job. And the final word. What does this bird have here? What is this? A wing. Excellent. A wing. And what's the first sound in wing? Good. Excellent. Take a look. Good job. Okay. What's the second sound in wing? You guessed it. Good job. And the final sound? Good job. Good job. These 2 letters, remember? Good. Let's repeat, please. Good job. Hey, do you think we can sing the song? Excellent. Okay, you ready? We're going to be strong. Very good. We're going to be strong. Ready? If you're strong and you know it, say, If you're strong and you know it, say, If you're strong and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're strong and you know it, say, Good job. Keep practicing at home. Bye.